Ayan, so sinong gustong pumunta sa inyo sa Canada? Halina kayo. Masarap lang talaga dito sa Canada kapag summer. Pakainin ko muna tong aking yaya. Napakasarap. Ang sarap. It's really good. From 1 to 10? 10. And then nandito yung crush ko sa likod ko.
What's up mga kachinoys, and welcome to my first vlog for 2025. Normally on a Saturday, Brantford is a busy day, especially it's going to be a long weekend. But I guess most of the people stayed home because of the bad weather and heavy snow. So tuned in mga kachinoys and enjoy watching our video.
Guys, ito yung situation namin ngayon. Nag-slow na naman. Tinan mo, walang kali, hindi mo na makita.
Walang kali.
Puro snow, puro white. Tinan mo yung bahay, pakita mo ang bundok.
So, nung Thursday ay kakatapos lang ng winter storm. And then, yung aftermath, kagabi pag uwi ko, which is Friday, malinis naman na except yung, syempre, yung nag-snow plowing sila, tapos itinatambak dun sa mga gilid. Kung kaya nakikita nyo na parang merong mga dyan, mga tambak ng snow na parang mga bundok-bundok, Mount Everest, sabi namin. So, today is Saturday. Sabi namin sayang yung araw, so it's 100% snowy today. Pero it's not as bad based on the forecast. So papasyal pa rin kami kasi sayang yung araw kasi puro trabaho. So ayan, kami ay mamamasyal. So siya muna yung pinagtatanggal ko ng snow sa sasakyan kasi naka-winter boots si Noy. Ayan. Ayan, so sinong gustong pumunta sa inyo sa Canada? Halina kayo at mararanasan nyo to. Pero dito sa Ontario guys, it's not too bad. Hindi kagaya ng experiences ko before sa Saskatchewan na talagang sumuko ako kung bakit nag-move out ako away from Saskatchewan dahil super extended ang snow and super severe talaga ang snow sa Saskatchewan. Also in Manitoba and Alberta. So dito sa Ontario, we have the mildest winter here in Canada.
Guys, dito kami napapag-gas weekly. Mas mura dito ng mga 10 cents. More.
Hello, Zaria!
Hi, Zaria!
And this is what you're looking for.
It's Dollar Tree!
Yay!
And over there is Walmart.
Yeah, over there is Walmart. Oh, that's the cinema. That's the Galaxy Cinema, Zaria. Ayan, so we're going to go here in Dollar Tree, ayan, to buy some snacks because we're going to
watch a movie.
Aww.
Here I am. Watch yourself. You're not Steve Rogers. I'm not. Wait for it. Who's playing who? This is. You want me? Come and get me!
So guys, we're done watching Captain America. And then, we're going to rate the movie. Actually, medyo nakatulog lang ako ng konti. Konti lang naman. Pero sa'yo, ikaw. Ito kasi film critic talaga to ever since eh. So, anong scoring mo?
8/10.
Ako rin, pareho lang. And then there's grabe yung yung mga visuals nila, grabe yung mga effects nila, grabe talagang para siyang totoo. And then sabi dun sa ending of the film, Captain America is going to be back. So expect there's a part 2. Hello guys, so after the movies, they're from Galaxy Cinema here in Brentford. It's still snowy pero hindi ganun kalala. Gagamitin ko na yung finally, yung aking gift card na nakuha ko sa hotel. Ayan. So pwede kaming kumain sa Mario, sa Chalet, and other major restaurants. Pero dito muna kami kakain. Diyan sa may likod sa East Mario's Restaurant. Ayan. Pakainin ko muna tong aking yaya. Day off. Ayun yung sasakyan. Oh. So meron na naman siyang parang meron siyang binalot ng harina guys. Oh. Ayan. So imagine niyo rito, libre ang yelo, di ba? Masarap lang talaga dito sa Canada kapag summer, I'm telling you.
Dito matigas na snow, pero dito okay pa. Pwede mo pa ma-wiper. Ito matigas
Hello mga kachinoy. So, nandito kami sa East Side Mario. Ayun. And then, grabe nung pagpasok namin dito. Buti na lang hindi sila waitlist. Akala ko kasi waitlist sila. Yung pala for the booth lang. Biglang, alam mo yung bigla na nung balik sa akin. Bigla. You know, years back. When I was a server sa Fridays or the Chili's, ganyan sa mga American casual dining. Kasi yung ambience niya, including the food. Yun nga lang, dito pala sa East Side Mario, they are actually into pastas and pizza. Ayan, so they don't have nothing much of the choices. Ayan, pagdating sa menu. And then they serve us freshly baked bread. And then nandito yung crush ko sa likod ko. Gusto ko nga tanungin sila kung merong kanin para kung sakali may ulam na dun sa likod ko. So kanin na lang yung ulam. Ayan. Ayan guys, so to start with, when you order an entree, meron silang libreng soup or Caesar salad. Siyempre para mas healthy. Pang contrast dun sa kakainin natin na something oily. Mag-salad tayo. And I like their Caesar salad dito. Medyo dry nga lang siya at kulang ng dressing, but you can always ask for it. What's great? Ayan, so nandito na yung ating main course and we're having, na-miss ko to talaga sa Fridays before. Ito yung version nila ng Szechuan Alfredo. So ito yung tawag nila dito is Jumbo Shrimp Alfredo pasta. Ayan, looks very delicious. Ayan, so tikman natin guys yung spicy Hawaiian pizza with pineapple. Ang sarap. It's really good. This was actually, yung pizza is one of their specialties. It's really good. From 1 to 10? 10.
So guys, kumain ako ng pizza. Napakasarap. Spicy Hawaiian pizza. And this one is Shrimp Alfredo. Guys, tapos libre yung kanila. Free yung salad. Napakarami. Tsaka yung bread. Tsaka refillable pa. Napakasarap.
Grabe, nakakabusog. Sabi namin, bakit pag kumakain kayo sa restaurant, no, parang feeling mo busog na busog ka na. But anyway, we had a good experience. Did you enjoy?
Of course. I'm so
Ayan.
full. May take out pa.
Ayun guys, for our last stop for the day, to complete the night, kami ay nag-grocery ng konti. Ayan, so yung mga kailangan namin like vegetables. Maraming sale kasi dito, weekly, iba-iba yung mga sale nila. Mga flyers available, ayan. So like, yung pinya is how much?
199 each. So more or less 80 pesos.
And then bread, ganon, itlog, yung mga importante na for your daily needs. Ayan.
A few moments later.
And there you have it mga kachinoys. We are back home. Parang ako pumasok sa work dahil almost 7 hours din kaming nasa labas. But it's so worth it. Nakapanood ng sine, nakapag-dinner, nakapaglakad-lakad ng konti. Ayan. So tingnan nyo guys, so grabe. O para may mga burubundukin ng mga snow dito sa street namin. Ayan. So thank you mga kachinoys for watching. And keep safe everyone. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, paki-like and share na rin ninyo ang aking video. Take care and God bless everyone. Paalam! Aww.